Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. My name is Amar, and on this channel we review a variety of sneakers, and those sneakers are mostly of my favorite pairs, and those mostly being of Nike branding. So in this video we'll be looking over some Nike SB Dunk which I was able to secure on the sneakers app. Now I will be honest, I wasn't too gassed about this particular pair. It was sort of a pack. I just went for the one pair itself. So I will start off with a short introduction. If you are new along here, please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe. Please make sure to hit that notification bell and stay up to date with any of my content. And with all that out of the way, I will start off this video by looking at the box and packaging. Guys, so here is your box. We have a purple Nike SB box, nothing out your ordinary. This isn't a quick strike, so it is your standard GR SB Dunk. Right, so as I said, it did come as a pack. I just thought I'd mention that before we go into it. I did actually find this pair more appealing compared to the other one, so I just thought I'd go for this particular pair. So if we just start off, we'll look at the actual box label, and the box label reads Nike Dunk Low Pro Premium, and it's of a colorway of orange, noise, aqua, emerald, rise. And that's your box label. Right, so like I said, it is your standard Nike SB box. It is the purple edition, so it is a GR, which is a general release. It's nothing out of the ordinary. It's not a quick strike, and it is just a standard GR SB Dunk. And what I mean by GR is general release. So if we just go ahead and peel back this lid, we can then have a look at the kicks. So here is your first look on this channel, the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, known for its name, the Color Dictionary Pack. So guys, in this video, what I'll try to cover certain aspects of the sneaker. So we'll look at sizing, we'll look at materials, and we'll look at availability. So let's just start off this video, and we'll just go ahead and start off by looking at the upper portions of your sneaker. I will start off on the top and work my way down. So if we just go ahead and look at your overlays on the top of the sneaker, we do have two sets of colors on your upper portion of your sneaker. So your upper overlays are in two colorways. So you do have that orange color on your mudguard and your lace panels and your heel panel, and on your toe box and on your sock liner and your mid panel we have that aqua blue colorway. Looks pretty neat. And also you do have this swoosh, which is it's more of a denim sort of color in my opinion. It is sort of a blue color. It's not the aqua blue color as the mid panel and your sock liner and your toe box. So it is more of a sort of denim blue color in my opinion. So throughout the upper of your overlays, they are all dressed in this sort of nappy hairy suede, and the actual laces that are laced up with the actual sneaker are in this orange color. And looking at your tongue, the tongue itself is in that aqua blue colorway. You then have your tongue label, which is backed on this canvas material padded tongue. You have a nice bright orange tongue label with your Nike and Air branding in a blue text. And if I just flip this round, now you do have a label on the back of the tongue label. So I don't know if you can actually see that number. The number actually reads 181, and that's that little hidden detail which makes up the shoe. The shoe and its colors takes inspiration from a Japanese color dictionary. Pretty clean in my opinion. Right guys, so I'm gonna have to try and rush this video a little bit. My camera's battery is super low, and I'm afraid that I might not finish off this video. So I do apologize if I missed anything out, which actually reminds me, we do have laces as well. We have spare sets of laces, so I will just quickly throw that in for you. Right guys, so yeah, go ahead and talk about sizing. Now I do tend to stick to true to size when it comes to my standard dunks and my SB dunks. A lot of people tend to go up half a size, which I can't fault them for. With it being a skate shoe, it does fit quite snug, and the reason why I say that is due to the extra padding that you have in your ankle collar, if you can notice that. So that is something to actually consider. these can fit quite snug. Now, as I said, I was mentioning David of Blue Tile. Now, he did do a review on this a couple of days ago, and I'm actually quite glad I did watch it, because he did mention that this particular SB does fit slightly snug. So in my opinion, if it's not anything like the Gnar Hunters or like that, because they were super snug, I literally had to go up half a size more if I was going to be wearing them. David from Blue Tile Skates always goes true to size, but he did mention that he felt that these did feel quite snug, so it is something to consider. So we are coming towards the final subject, so we'll talk about availability. Now, when it comes to availability, they are a quite limited release, and with the SB Dunks, numbers never be high. Now, they were loaded on the Sneakers app on the 3rd of August, so they are actually available. Now, I do believe most of the big sizes have all sold out, but you are still able to cop some of your smaller sizes. And do also consider checking out your local skate shop. Right, I'm about to end this video, but I did miss out one part of the sneaker, and that is your midsole. I will throw it in. I've got you, alright, I've got you. Before the camera goes out, I got you. So just looking at your midsole, we have a nice lemon wash midsole. Looks really nice. Same goes for your outsole. Guys, my camera's beeping, so I do apologise if I've missed anything out. I appreciate if you stuck around, I appreciate your support. And if you are new along here, please make sure to check out some of my old content. And please make sure to hit that subscribe button so you're never missing a video. And with all that out of the way, I hope to catch you on the next video.